This is a demo on how to use VLR, so vinyl lift off remover, on getting some vinyl letters off your shirt. We'll just turn it inside out. You never pour directly on top because it will melt the vinyl into your shirt and it will be irreversible. Let it sit for about 30 seconds, maybe a bit more. What then you need to do is literally just stretch. Sometimes little bits, you just pick it off. So that's that. Some cotton buds like these, I tend to fold it in half. And then what we want to do is just dab some VLR onto the bud and then literally just go over the letter and rub. After going over it a few times with the cotton wool bud and some VLR, you should be left with this. You barely see anything at all, and it is ready for a new name set. Obviously, this is going to come off at a later date, but Portugal, it's got to be Ronaldo, hasn't it?